console.log. Okay, we're going to use some string interpolation. Base number. Remember to use curly braces and a dollar sign in front. Okay. Okay, take that down. Okay, so enter different combinations of values for the two variables you created and run code several times. Verify the correct statements are printing to the console. You can check your work using examples provided in the hint. Okay. Else is going to be the last statement. So else if runner is exactly 18 years of age, regardless of registration. So if runner's age, which is runner's age is equal to 18, then we're going to console.log. Telling the runner should see registration disk. Yep. Base number 1222 will raise at 11. Then base number will raise at that time. Raise at that time. Else if runner's age is true, which is 18. Yeah. What if we don't set the condition? Same thing. I'm sure I've got some syntax errors somewhere here. I just have to find it. Console.log. Race number will race at 930. Else if runner's age is greater than 18 and registered early. Okay, so now number 14. So this is condition number 3. Condition number 3. So just after if registered early and is equal to false. So here it says if runner is over 18 and did not register early, they will race at 11. Okay, then right after that, write a corresponding else if statement within that log a string to the console telling them that they will race at 11 a.m. including their race number. So if runner's age is greater than and registered early, otherwise if runner's age what happened there? That's interesting. Yeah, else if runner's age is smaller than 18 and just early, and we're going to go ahead and console.log. Okay, so this is the opposite. So runner's age is smaller than 18. So here it says if runner's age is greater than 18 and registered early, console.log race number. If runner's age is greater than 18 and registered early or registered early is equal to false, console.log will race at 11 a.m. Okay, it looks like I added the same thing twice. So I'm just going to remove this. But don't forget about run is exactly 18 years of age, 18 years old. And an else statement that logs a statement telling the console to tell the runner to see the registration trip. So runner's age is equal to 18, which is right. Yeah, I don't need I don't need to check if the runner. I don't need to check the condition yet because the variable here registered early is already set equal to true. The registered early variable is already equal to true, and the runner's age is already 18 equal to 18. So I don't need to set a condition for else because that's exactly the same thing, and it will be conflicting. So I'm just going to run that, as you can see. Okay, so it's running now. Runner to see the registration dex, because that is obviously true and equal to 18. So if I change this now, let me change this to, for instance, 1901 will race at 9:30 a.m. So I'm just going to say, and there it gives me random numbers. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to change the template literal a bit, just to make it more, just to make the sentence more accurate. So number, right, and then here as well. Let me just quickly rectify the sentence. Okay, so number 1386 will race at 9:30 a.m. Okay, so let's see what happens if I change this to false. Number 321 will race at 11 a.m. As you can see, still giving me those random numbers. Okay, so don't forget about runners exactly 18 years old. Add an else statement that logs a statement to the console.log telling the runner to see the registration dex. Okay, so this is correct. As you can see, the program is running correctly and to the specifications of the instructions. As you can see, I started with the variable